Yukon has released its 2026 Immigration Nomination Framework Big Update. Canada's northernmost immigration program has just dropped a big update for 2026. And if you're an employer or worker looking at Yukon, this one really matters. Yukon has officially mapped out how its immigration nominations will work in 2026, and the message is clear. Fewer spots, tighter selection, and a strong focus on people already contributing to the territory. Yukon confirms its 2026 nomination numbers. In January 2026, the Yukon Nominee Program released its nomination framework for the year ahead. For 2026, Yukon has been allocated 282 nomination spaces in total. That number sets a firm cap on how many foreign workers can be supported for permanent residence through the program. Yukon is also among the first regions in Canada to announce its 2026 allocation, alongside provinces like British Columbia and Saskatchewan, giving employers and applicants valuable time to plan. What Yukon is prioritizing in 2026. Unlike high-volume PNPs, Yukon is keeping things highly targeted. The territory is focusing less on new recruitment and more on retaining workers already helping its economy. Top priority will go to licensed healthcare professionals, where shortages remain severe. Beyond healthcare, Yukon will favor candidates who already show real ties to the territory, people who have at least 12 months of Yukon work experience, studied at Yukon University, strong French language ability, or participated in temporary immigration support programs during 2024 or 2025. Some candidates from these temporary measures will even skip the expression of interest stage and receive direct instructions. Rural employers get an edge. Yukon has made it clear that rural and remote employers will receive added consideration in 2026. This is part of a broader effort to spread population growth beyond Whitehorse and support smaller communities that struggle most with labor shortages. For employers outside the capital, this could be a real advantage. 2 intake windows only. Yukon will accept employer submissions during just 2 intake periods in 2026, 19th January to 30th January. 6th July to 17th July. Employers must submit an online expression of interest explaining the role, the worker's background, and how the application fits Yukon's priorities. Only the highest ranked EOIs from each intake will move forward, making preparation critical. Why these numbers matter? While 282 nominations match what Yukon reached after adjustments last year, it's still well below earlier years when allocations exceeded 400. That said, Canada's federal immigration plan for 2026 increases overall PNP admissions nationwide, meaning Yukon could request more slots later if labor pressures grow. Final takeaway. Yukon's 2026 immigration program is not about volume. It's about commitment, local experience, and essential skills. With limited spaces and strong competition, employers and workers who align closely with Yukon's priorities, especially healthcare and rural needs, will be in the strongest position. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.